The exit polls broadcast by the news organizations have predicted a clear picture which emerged post the Phase 9 marathon general elections. With the wave swinging towards the BJP-led NDA government, NNI has got in touch with AAP leader and former journalist Ashutosh to have his views on the exit polls. Here's an NNI's exclusive report. Once a part of the media fraternity who presented several exit polls, Ashutosh now is an integral part of the Aam Aadmi Party. He was seen criticizing the role of the media. Ashutosh asked the media to introspect their role and why they succumbed to the impressions and temptations from the BJP's PM nominee Narendra Modi.
See, I can tell you that this time I was really disappointed by the role which has been played by media, and that's why I said that the time has come when the role of the media should be, I will not say investigated, but I will say that media should introspect, should try to understand the why they have succumbed to the charm, pressure, and the temptations of Narendra Modi. And was it there some money power, or was it there some kind of intimidation? But I can tell you that I was hugely disappointed by the role played by media.
On being asked what if the party does not enjoy the advantage of winning, this is what Ashutosh said.
See, do not win is a very generalized statement, because we never claimed during the elections we are going to form the government, and neither we said that we are going to win a massive number of seats. For us, the most important thing is to sending message to almost every nook and corner of the country to tell and to inform that here is a political party which believes in the sanity of elections, believes in the honesty of elections, believes in the integrity of elections. So our role has been a kind of demystifying elections, the elections which was defined by money power, muscle power, media power, the crookedness, the dynasty. We proved that you can fight elections despite money power, muscle power, and the media power, without crookedness and without dynasty. I think that's a great lesson for all of us. And I think a man like me, who 6 months back had never thought to be in politics and contesting election, if I can think of contesting election, that itself is a significant change, a turning point in Indian democracy.
Talking about caste-based politics, the AAP leader called it a reality in Indian politics, which is now a part of Indian society and psyche. He further added that the caste-based politics do not affect elections, but the effect will wean off after the urbanization and modernization takes over the nation.
See, caste is a reality in Indian politics. Caste is a part of Indian society and psyche, and it will remain, it will affect elections. But I think over a period of time, with the urbanization, with modernization, the impact will be little less. But yes, in this election also, especially in the hinterland, especially in the rural areas, the caste did play a major role, like in Bihar and UP. I was there, and I can tell you that it has played a very major role.
Powered by NNIS.